Welcome to watch today's Fresham. One Great Jones Alley undergoes a vibrant transformation under Jason Saft's creative vision, blending dynamic moments and sculptural elements while respecting the architectural heritage of NoHo's buildings. Located in one of Manhattan's most coveted neighborhoods, One Great Jones Alley has been redesigned and restored. Saft reworks the interior, crafting a residence that reflects its current owners while honoring the building's history. For Saft, this project was more than a mere redecoration, it was a journey to redefine urban living in a much broader context. Goal was to encourage residents and visitors alike to make their mark while discovering moments and objects that resonate with them. Ultimately, the redesign celebrates creativity at its core.